Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Gloink Queen from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off on the top left and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start by drawing a curve down. Then from the bottom, let's curve it over to the right. And then bring it all the way over like this. And then close off the top with a curve across. Next, let's move underneath and let's add the mouth. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve down and around. Then continue it up on the right in the same way, stopping here. Now underneath, let's add some pointed V-shapes all the way across for the teeth. Now underneath, let's draw the bottom lip. Underneath on the left, let's draw a curve down and over. Now let's continue the line over to the right, bring it up, and curve it past the headline like this. And then do the same thing underneath. Now inside, let's draw the bottom row of teeth by drawing pointed V-shapes going up. And then let's color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move up and let's draw the details on the head. Let's draw a circle inside at the end. And then another thicker circle inside. Now on top, let's draw another eye in the same way. Then let's hop up and let's draw a smaller one. Another one on the right. And then two more smaller ones at the top here. Now let's hop on top of the head and let's add 3 eyes by adding a curve. And then add an oval inside each of these. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's draw the polka dot pattern on the head. Let's start near the front and let's draw a curve on top. Then one at the bottom here behind the eyes. Now let's move over to the right and let's draw a small curve on top of the mouth. And then a larger one next to it. And that's it for the head. Now let's draw the shape of the body. Start under the middle of the head and let's draw a curve over to the right. Next, underneath, let's draw an S-shaped curve down and over to the right. Now let's hop over to the top right and let's do the same thing. Then for the side of this line, let's draw another longer one out and back down. Now inside on the top right, let's draw another curve over and curve it down to the left. And then close off the bottom with a curve like this. Next, inside that middle top section, let's add a curved line. And another one on top of this one. Now let's move back down, and from the end here, let's draw a curve down. Then let's curve it over to the right and back up. Now let's do one more underneath in the same way. And then add one more curve underneath. Now to finish off the shape of the body, from the left line we drew earlier, let's continue it over to the right. Now that we have the shape of the body done, let's move in and add the details. Let's start inside at the end of the body and let's draw a circle for the first eye. And then another thicker one inside. Now let's move up on the right and let's draw another one in the same way. Now on top of the tail here, let's add 2 more eyes. Let's start with a curve and add another curve inside at the top. Now move over to the left and let's draw another larger one like this. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's continue the polka dot pattern on the rest of the body. You can follow mine or create your own. And that's it for the Gloink Queen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!